Today we are at one of the most attraction lobby located in Shah, and I'm Muhammad Iqbal, one of the manager here. As we know, laundry services has become one of the most important service in our time this day. Due to the hectic lifestyle, many people find the simple choice of doing laundry is time consuming, boring and inconvenient, but yet still necessary, especially to those who are working and married. Also, this place is near a student hostel, and many of the students here would like to come and laundry with us. Hi, you seeing me again? Okay, today I would like to tell you about our mission and vision in our laundry. Okay, first of all, our vision is to be outsourcing solution for your facility needs. Our scope of services can be tailored to reflect your needs and designed to save your money first. We also want to be value and customer driven. Also, our mission always serve our family effectively and efficiently. We operate a flexible operation which has been designed with the needs of our customer to give them peace of mind. Our main endeavor is to provide each and every customer with full support plus the finest quality and dedicated services in this industry. Again, and then I hope all of you would like to come here and laundry with us. Thank you.
Using laundry service to do the laundry is more convenient nowadays with the use of high technology washing machine, large tumble dryers, drying cabinet and multiple ironing presses. This is to ensure the high quality of washing and to make sure the customer laundries are clean and fresh. Although coin laundry service is already in the market, it does not suit the culture of Malaysian people who want quality laundry and clean clothes. place has the high demand from students, working adults, and housewives. That is why lots of laundry firms have been opened at the housing area of college as well as areas surrounding universities. They tend to offer various types of services such as normal wash, dry cleaning, and others just to attract customers. Other than that, there are some laundry firms that provide some sort of promotion and package in order to catch the attention of their customers.
Hello, my name is Shah, and I will present target market for the next 5 years and also conclusion for Trust Me Laundry. The demand projection of Trust Me Laundry for the next 5 years are based on this chart. As for 2017, our target increased by 19%. For the year of 2018, 2019, and 2020, we're hoping that the sales will increase at least 20% of each year. And for the year of 2021 onwards, our sales will increase 21% or more.
For conclusion, Trust Me Laundry face challenges to become an established laundry service in the area. Laundry service need to be managed well to be more efficient and remain competitive. Demand for laundry service is inelastic because it is categorized under necessity product. Therefore, price change would not make a great effect to quantity demanded. However, customer taste and preference remain vital. Trust Me Laundry needs to focus on its marketing mix. As the customer preference always change, marketing mix act as a tool to fine-tune and position the firm at the competitive. For the type of service offered by Trust Me Laundry show the variability of capability of the firm. Nowadays, consumers afford to buy luxury product. Therefore, Trust Me Laundry must be able to give variability in their services. Home laundry pickups and delivery service is a very unique service since none of the laundry firms at the area offer the service to their customer. Hence, it enhances the customer by reducing their time. Residents in the area are mostly working adults and students. Therefore, pickups and delivery service is indeed a good way to attract the consumer. Facility location remain important although Trust Me Laundry offer pickups and delivery service. A strategic location with easy access and the availability of parking lots will attract consumers to make purchase. Consumer will prefer a convenient place to drop off and pick up their laundry. A clean facility will convince customer to make purchase decision of the service. Customer relationship is also important aspect. Service counter worker need to be trained in how to entertain customer. Managing queue also need to consider it, although it is rarely happen. Trust Me Laundry needs to promote its services to the nearby consumer. With the high population, Trust Me Laundry could exploit the opportunity to promote its services